This is item number 9527 with M&M Equipment Corp. Here we have a refurbished BIRO 3334 bandsaw. It's a stainless steel base with an aluminum ratcheting head. It's equipped with removable doors, a ratcheting arm blade tensioner, it has 16-inch diameter wheels, driven by a 3 horsepower TEFC motor, turning a non-slip V-belt. That turns a 124 inch by 5/8 inch blade, all powered by 220 volts 3-phase. It has a 25 inch by 18 inch roller product carriage. Here we'll start it up and give you a demonstration. Currently set at 1 inch touch. Perfect cuts every time. Again, this is item number 9527 with M&M Equipment Corp.